Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's been creating quite a buzz in the drone community, the DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart Combo. We found this incredible drone online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The DJI Avata 2 is an FPV, first-person view, drone that brings an exhilarating flying experience right to your fingertips. Designed with a stunning 4K camera, it allows you to capture breathtaking aerial footage while providing an immersive flying experience through its advanced goggles. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner looking to explore, this drone is packed with features that cater to all skill levels. Let's dive into some of the most important features that make the DJI Avata 2 stand out. First and foremost, the immersive experience it offers is unlike any other. With the DJI Goggles N3, you'll feel as if you're right in the cockpit, enjoying a bird's-eye view of your surroundings. This prompt visual feedback is perfect for anyone craving that adrenaline rush while flying. One of the standout features of the Avata 2 is its intuitive motion control system. Forget about complicated buttons and joysticks. With this drone, you simply move your hands to control its flight. This makes it incredibly easy for beginners to gain confidence and enjoy flying right from the get-go. Just imagine effortlessly gliding through the air, feeling the freedom of flight without the steep learning curve. For those who want to take their flying skills up a notch, the Avata 2 also offers a range of easy acrobatics. You can perform jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts without needing extensive training. This feature not only elevates your flying skills but also allows you to capture stunning footage with ease, perfect for creating eye-catching videos. Speaking of footage, the DJI Avata 2 boasts a super-wide 155 degrees field of view. Coupled with a 1/1.3-inch image sensor, it delivers ultra-sharp 4K video at an impressive 60 frames per second. Whether you're flying low above the treetops or capturing expansive landscapes, this drone ensures your footage is nothing short of spectacular. Safety is another key consideration with the Avata 2, as it comes equipped with built-in propeller guards. These sturdy guards not only protect the drone from damage but also enhance its durability, allowing you to fly freely in various environments. This feature is especially useful for beginners who might not yet have mastered the art of flying. The DJI Avata 2 is also lightweight and portable, making it an ideal companion for adventurers and content creators alike. With the included Lightcut app, you can easily edit and share your POV content, complete with numerous templates that simplify the filmmaking process. Whether you're capturing your outdoor adventures, family gatherings, or just exploring your neighborhood, the Avata 2 makes it hassle-free to create high-quality content. In terms of who this drone is suitable for, it caters to a wide range of users. From hobbyists and outdoor enthusiasts to professional filmmakers and content creators, the DJI Avata 2 is designed for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. With its user-friendly features, it's perfect for those just starting their drone journey, as well as experienced pilots looking for a reliable and high-quality flying machine. In summary, the DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart Combo is an exceptional FPV drone that combines immersive flying experiences with cutting-edge technology. Its intuitive controls, stunning 4K camera, and emphasis on safety make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to explore the world from above. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.